Hello students, how you all are? I hope you all would be fine, and I welcome you all after the summer vacation. And before summer vacation, we had completed some lessons of English grammar, and in English first only we have done first lesson. So now some days we have to work on English first also. So in that continuation, I'm going to start the new lesson, and the name of this lesson is A Piece of Peace. Now you all will be thinking, sir, what is the meaning of a piece of peace? See here, two pieces are written. One is Piece, and again second one is Peace. Peace, peace means in Hindi we say Shanti, and peace means some sort of जिस जिस शांति का एक क्षण, that is called peace, piece of peace. So how do this story connects to the sense of peace? So let us discuss about this thing. Today I will be briefing you about this whole of the lesson. This lesson is of mm, this lesson is a travel account, and travel account of a group of students who visit to the continent, and the name of that continent is Antarctica. So they go there, the group of the students with their professor, some other teachers also are there, and they observe the everything about Antarctica, and they gather the information, and how they get peace there, or how this piece is related to this travel account we will study here. So first of all, how Antarctica was formed. According to our geographical theory, the theory which is given that in so many millions year ago, 35, 40 millions years ago, the five continents, means India, then Australia, then New Zealand, then Africa, and South America. India, Australia, New Zealand, and Africa and South America. These five continents were locked in one continent. They were all in one. They were not in different continent, different means the continents. They were not divided. But and this the combined the surface was called uh, Gondwana Island. But some something happened in the earth, and the this was divided into pieces, and in that way Antarctica was sunk to uh, the the 1 minute, I am telling you. Antarctica was sunk to the polar position. So this is the whole story of this. This is the geographical feature of Antarctica. Now, in this whole of the travel the account, we I am briefing you. There the some students of class 7th were there, and they went to Antarctica, and they reached there, and they were discussing about the because they were excited also, so much informations they wanted to gather from their professor. So they were asking different types of questions from their professor, and they came to know that first of all Captain Cook sailed across the Antarctica. He just crossed the Atlantic Ocean, and he came near Antarctica, and he sailed around and he went away, but he could not recognize it. It was later recognized that Antarctica is also a continent, and in this continent we can see that the students are very excited, and they are 16 students are there, and the whole of the batch of the students is headed by a professor whose name is Professor Green. And the students are very much excited to see, means Antarctica is completely glacier, and they are very much excited to see that some seals are coming, and on the shore. Seals means seals here written. Seals means some the fish that are that live in the on under the ice sheets. They are coming there, and they asked about the seals. The professor tells them that yes, seals are there and they live under the ice sheets of the Antarctica, but they are often killed by the seal killers. Some hunters they kill, and sometimes the hunters the finger also get infected by when they hunt those seals, when they beat those seals, so their finger also infected, but then also they just kill those seals. So this is the danger for the for whole of the environment, and especially for the Antarctica. And there is also, the professor also told that there is no wildlife also, and uh, uh, everything they were discussing about the climate, weather, and so many things they were discussing about. But in at some time they felt that Mohit felt the main leader of the group of us was Mohit Agrawal, the whole leader of the whole group. He said that now at this time, this is that the temperature is at 13 degrees Celsius, and it is a time when we can just wear a t-shirt and shorts, and we can roam around. So the professor explained that yes, this is because of global warming. The glaciers are starting to melt. Means at not in the Antarctica, when they are reaching towards Antarctica, they are going to Antarctica. The place came whose name is the name of that place is Port Lock Rai. At that place, he felt that this is 13 degrees Celsius temperature, and how it is very moderate type of temperature. We can wear only t-shirt and our shorts. He said yes, because the we are reaching towards Antarctica, but the because of the global warming, we are not feeling it. So these type of things happened. Then they stayed there, and we all know that in Antarctica there is 6 months of day and 6 months of night. So after according to their watch, in the evening, means in Antarctica there will not be evening because 6 months already day is there, but according to their watch, in the evening time they shifted to a tent there, and they drank their hot cup of chocolate milk, and they were discussing on so many topics about the continent, about, and the professor also explained that this is Antarctica is we cannot see any settlement on this continent, except some human visitors like us. We visited here, and some human visitors come and visit, but there is no settlement of permanent settlement here. But he also explained that there is a kingdom of tiny bacteria and microorganisms of under the sheets of ice, and if but they are invisible, they can be microscopic, and if we calculate them, it can be equal to, or it can be more than the whole of the uh, life which is existing in all the waters, lakes, oceans, rivers of whole earth. It can be equal to, or it can be more than that. So many microorganisms are there. And he also explained that so many in winter, in November and December, the the Antarctica, the sea, the lakes, the ocean, which is close to Antarctica, near about uh, 20 million 20 million square feet of ocean, it converts into ice. 20 million square kilometers of ocean, it converts into ice. But Mohit said that, sir, so many ice is there, so much ice is there, so if little bit of ice is melt also by the by the global warming, what happens? He said no, because of this global warming, the level of the sea is getting increased, and most of the big cities of the world are situated on the seas itself. So this is a threat to the human settlement for the humankind, and also it is increasing the global warming. So these types of things they discussed, and in last uh, they collected so many information, and in last Mohit and his friends uh, they collected a stone of ice that was of 30 kilogram, and they put it into a sealed bag, and they brought it to their school. Means with that bag they came back to their homes, and because they brought because they had to show them to their friends. So while coming from there to their homes and then again coming to school and showing, out of 30 kilogram 5 kilograms of ice was melt, but then also they were able to show them. And in this way, this is the they collected many information about the climate of Antarctica, and about the global warming, and how we should prevent the global warming. They came to learn that. So this was the whole story, and we will be discussing about the paragraph wise explanation in the later videos. Thank you and have a wonderful day.